In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background. Then tap on this icon at the top right corner of it and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. Additionally, if you want to operate your window, you can do that by holding this line at the top to drag it. Clicking on this icon at the top left corner to use it in full screen view, or this one right next to it to minimize it, and this way turn it into a bubble. To open your window, click on the bubble. If you want to resize it or even reshape it, do it by holding one of your bottom corners. And last but not least, to close your window, click at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!